Hello, my name is Portia Harrington.
My name is John Vegas Ortiz.
We're part of the Robotics Pathway.
And Engineering Career Cluster.
One thing we learn freshman and sophomore year, first 2 years, is how to build and structure or code the robots that we eventually take competing sophomore or junior year.
That's one of the most important things when it comes to engineering is, in my opinion, coding, because if you don't know how to code the robot, it's not going to work. And if you don't know what's wrong with it, like we had many issues with our robot this year, if you don't know what's wrong with it, you're not going to be able to fix it in the long run.
One other thing we do currently in the robotics program is learn about ROVs, which are submersible robotic vehicles. And we've just currently learned how to waterproof and solder wires together. Within the robotics pathway, they lead you more into mechanical engineering jobs, robotic engineering, more of computer science and computational sciences and computer software, and that will go into designing and coding the robots you will work in class or in the real world.
As Portia here said, computer science is what I personally am going to go into, hopefully in college. And what you do there is you take a lot of math and like science-based classes to where you can design the code to fix a problem or do something specifically to hopefully come with a certain outcome.
My name is Ricari Blow. I'm in the engineering pathway within the engineering cluster. What I learned in this pathway, with the engineering design process, we focus on structure, engines, building new things. We even go into architect a little bit, from evaluating our problems, see how we can fix them. You always start with generating a concept, coming up with an idea, and we expand on that. And then we go back, we test it. One of the hands-on experiences I learned throughout my high school career was working with the power tools. This year during my senior year, we're actually working on a project now that we had to come up with our own idea. We had to see, first we had to find out if it was patent, and if it was patent, we couldn't use it. So we had to start from rock bottom, and we have to go present it out to ExxonMobil. And it's pretty fun working with power tools, working with the drones, with the 3D printers. Yeah. Careers that you can find in this pathway are civil engineer, electrical engineer, and mechanical engineer, which we work real close with ExxonMobil. So I'm sure you will get a job within a couple of years. All you have to do is go down to Lee College, do your 2 years and get your certification. And since you get all the hands-on learning from them, you'll already be ahead of the game than other students in other districts. One of the engineering careers that I might pursue is either civil engineer or maybe maritime